Alright, so this is going to be a walk around of a Deere 800C excavator. This thing is huge. Alright, we're going to start down here. It's got a pretty good sized bucket on it. I think bigger. I don't know when the last time it rained was, but it obviously hasn't been used for a while because it hasn't rained in a few weeks. New 710K. But anyways, good sized bucket, quick connect for it, very shiny cylinder, all your grease and stuff up there. This is from, general use. Top part of your arm, and then relatively worn down pads, not really bad, but over here, inside your cab, actually it looks pretty good, not all ripped up like I've seen some machines, but yeah, it's pretty much a basic cab. You got your computer over there, your regular joystick controls, travel levers. This is actually a rental machine. Be awesome to have a project you need to rent this for, but don't see that happening anytime. Steps right there go up so you can do maintenance on your engine. You can, check oil, add hydraulic fluid as needed, stuff like that. So that's where that goes to, and then you'd also be able to access the hydraulic swing motors and grease them and all that fun stuff. Back here, your hydraulic pumps and stuff, or your engine and radiator will be back here. I don't know which side it's on. Back here's your counterweight. Here's your engine radiator, so this side's your engine. And then under here, you have your track undercarriage, drive sprockets, your rollers on the bottom, up here. We're out at RDO Deere dealership. Alright, and just to give you a size comparison of this machine, this is the 800, that's a 290, so there's a pretty good size difference there. This is an 850 on this side. I'll have a walk around of that one up at some point. So, there you go. Alright, so now for some information on this 800C. This machine has a Isuzu BB-6WG1T engine, giving it 454 horsepower and 957 cubic inches of displacement. The machine weighs in at 168,540 pounds. The fuel tank capacity is 238 gallons. The swing speed on this machine is 8.2 RPM, and it has 51 track shoes per side, and with a standard shoe width of 36 inches. The ground pressure is 10.7 psi, and it has a maximum travel speed at 2.7 miles per hour. The maximum bucket capacity on this machine is 9.6 cubic yards. The maximum reach for this machine is 45.3 feet, and the max digging depth is 29.4 feet. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.